Lords, I too rise to address Amendment 1, and it's a pleasure to follow on from my noble friend Baroness Carberry. I wasn't clear what the purpose of Amendment 1 was. It seemed to me that the government have laid out the purpose of this bill in the long title, and it's a very long title that the bill has been given, which sets out the ambit of the bill. What I am clear about, however, is the need for this bill. My Lords, there was research done last August in Cambridge University which produced a study by Professors Barbakadze and Deakin calling Falling Behind on Labour Rights. And it said this, in comparing UK and OECD labour rights. On almost every measure of employment protection, the UK is significantly behind the average for other countries in the OECD. 38 countries generally understood to be those with a high level of economic and social development globally. As they stand, labour laws in the UK are barely half as protective as those found in France and significantly below other notable European countries. This strongly suggests that there is significant scope for improvement before British labour law is even close to matching that of our nearest neighbours. And my noble friend Lord Monks mentioned the inequality in the United Kingdom in comparison with other countries. The OECD have also considered that. It currently ranks Britain as the 8th most unequal of 40 major economies in terms of income inequality. Amongst EU member states, only Bulgaria and Lithuania are more unequal than the United Kingdom. The European Participation Index ranks the degree of worker participation in business decision-making in different European countries. The UK is rated 26th out of 28, with lower participation than all countries except Latvia and Estonia. Lords, there are many other metrics by which the current state of play can be judged, and the status quo is simply not acceptable. I won't mention them all, but let me just mention three. One, median pay in this country currently is just over £600 a week. And median doesn't mean average. Median means the point of pay of half the working population. In other words, half of workers earn less than just over £600 a week, although half earn more than that. Second metric is this, that of those on universal credit, 37% are actually in work. And finally, thirdly, we find that 6.8 million people are in insecure work, 3/4 of whom are in what is described as severely insecure work, that is to say some 5 million workers. Lords, now this bill doesn't do all that I think that it should do. I had the honour to serve as the legal advisor on the working party which drew up a new deal for working people, and it's clear that there are major differences, and I later in the debates in the committee stage will seek to move some amendments to redress some of what I consider to be the shortcomings. But overall, the need for this bill is simply unarguable. We cannot go on in the way that we are at the present time, with workers denied a voice at work, working in insecure conditions and on extremely low pay. This bill will go a long way to assist to assist putting that right.
Hear, hear.